Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Go bold this holiday season with maximalist Christmas decor. Welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you love Christmas decor that's big and bold and unapologetically festive, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into maximalist Christmas decor, a style that's all about embracing extravagance, layering textures, and creating a holiday atmosphere that's as joyous as the season itself. We're going to talk about what maximalist Christmas decor is, how you can bring this bold style into your home, and some tips to make it shine without overwhelming your space. Buckle up, let's go. So let's start with what is maximalist Christmas decor? Maximalist Christmas decor is the opposite of subtle or minimalist design. It's a celebration of abundance, color, and creativity. Think multiple layers of garlands, trees decked out with every ornament you own, and then some, and a mix of textures, patterns, and colors that come together in a joyous and festive symphony. I hope you can tell by the excitement of my voice, I really love this style. This style is about making a statement and embracing the more is more philosophy. It's perfect for anyone who wants their holiday decor to feel as magical and over the top as a scene from a Christmas movie. So now let's talk how to accomplish maximalist Christmas decor at home. The first rule of maximalist decor is that there are no rules. That's an easy one. But if you want to create a really cohesive, stunning look, here are a few steps to follow. Number 1, go big on color. Maximalist Christmas decor thrives on vibrant, bold color schemes. Traditional red and green are great starting points, but why not mix in jewel tones like emerald green and sapphire blue and ruby red, or go for a candy-colored palette with pinks and purples and aquas for a very whimsical Candyland vibe. Number 2, layer your decorations. Layering is key. Start with a heavily adorned Christmas tree. Think oversized ornaments, the really big ones, and then some mediums and smalls, just to provide a lot of interest. Think ribbon garlands and twinkling lights. Then add layers to your mantel, your banisters, even your tablescapes. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures like velvet, metallics, and glitter for a little added depth. Number 3, statement pieces everywhere. Oversized decor is a hallmark of maximalism. Add giant nutcrackers, life-size reindeer, or an elaborate centerpiece for your dining room table. These statement pieces will anchor your decor and create focal points throughout your home. Number 4, mix patterns and textures. Don't shy away from combining stripes and plaids and florals and polka dots and all of these other patterns that you just would not think should be placed together. The key is to find a common thread like a shared color or holiday theme. That is your cohesive unit that ties everything together, and that will allow it to not look like, a hot mess, but still looks like it works. Also, use every space. Maximalist Christmas decor doesn't stop at the tree. Think outside the box, decorate your walls, your ceilings, and even unexpected places like bathrooms and hallways. You can layer wreaths or hang oversized ornaments from chandeliers or the ceiling, your doorways, and even drape garlands wherever you can. So what goes into maximalist Christmas decor? We're going to break it down into elements. Number 1, the tree. Yes, the tree. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of any maximalist holiday setup, and really any Christmas decor in general, I think. Start with the fullest tree you can find, whether it's real or artificial. I was never a real tree girl just because of a Christmas tree allergy I had growing up, so I always go with artificial. Then load it up with ornaments in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Add ribbon or tinsel for texture, and finish with a really extravagant tree topper. Next, your table settings. Your dining table is another opportunity to really go all out. Use bold chargers and festive napkin rings and layered tablecloths. Add a show-stopping centerpiece like a cascading garland or a collection of themed figurines to really make your holiday meals extra special. Last, let's talk about accessories. Think stockings with intricate designs and holiday throw pillows and blankets with seasonal patterns. Scatter figurines and candles and festive trinkets throughout your space to create a really immersive environment for anyone walking in or just for yourself. Now, I know what you're saying. There's a couple of times that I just said go all in and do whatever, but for some people that can be really overwhelming. So I'm going to show you how to do a maximalist Christmas decor without overwhelming yourself or making it so busy. The first tip would definitely be to stick to a theme. Even in maximalism, a theme can help bring everything together, whether it's winter wonderland or candy cane Christmas or glam holiday. Having a central idea will make your decor look intentional and not like you just kind of threw everything in a room. Next, balance the chaos. Maximalism doesn't mean chaos. Use a consistent color palette or a few repeating elements like ribbon or garlands to maintain a lot of visual harmony, even if it's a maximalist harmony. Also, edit thoughtfully. Maximalism doesn't mean you have to use every decoration you own, even though I just told you to, I think, on the Christmas tree, but I was talking figuratively. Use pieces that work together and display them intentionally. Next, start small. If the idea of maximalism feels really overwhelming or intimidating, you don't have to tackle it all in one year or throughout your whole house. Start with one area like your mantel or your entryway. Build up from there as you get more comfortable with the style and get more pieces to add to your home. So why is maximalist Christmas decor popular? Honestly, that's kind of a personal opinion. Maximalist decor appeals to people who really want to make the most out of the holidays. It's very cheerful and nostalgic and festive, and it really allows you to showcase your personality. So let's talk about where to find maximalist Christmas decor. So you can find big bold Christmas decor at big box retailers like Target and Walmart and Home Goods, or specialty stores like Pottery Barn and Anthropologie for really one-of-a-kind unique pieces. Also, online shops like Etsy for handmade one-of-a-kind decorations that you won't see everywhere. And of course, we have Amazon, our favorite place to buy something that you know will be there in 1 or 2 days. Which is funny because I ordered something last evening, maybe around 5 o'clock p.m., and it arrived at my house at 5 o'clock this morning. I don't know how that worked out, but I was like, wow, okay. Also, local thrift stores or vintage markets, you can find some really retro and nostalgic finds. So don't forget, if you like the idea of having a maximalist Christmas, check the description box. I've already sourced some pieces that will go there just to make it easier for you to bring this look and style home to your house. In closing, maximalist Christmas decor is all about celebrating the joy of the season in the biggest and boldest way possible. Whether you're just starting or you've been decking the halls with gusto for years, I hope this video inspires you to embrace the more is more philosophy this holiday season. And remember, whether you are wanting to bring the style home to your dream home or if you're in a little tiny apartment just starting out, I know we look at tons of houses and beautiful rooms, but trust me, the best thing you can have in your home is a spirit of gratitude. Thanks for watching Home Decor 101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday decor ideas. And let me know in the comment, what's your favorite part of maximalist Christmas decor? I can't wait to hear from you. Happy holidays, happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.